How to deposit money to Binance from bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can deposit money into your Binance account from a bank account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now open the Binance app on your phone and click on the two arrows button on the bottom of the screen. Once you've done so, you should see a pop-up that asks if you want to buy or sell crypto, convert or trade coins, or make a deposit. Click on deposit to add money to your Binance account. Now once you do so, next you have to click on the word fiat on the top left. Then in the search bar on top, you have to type USD. You should only see one option come up. Click on USD to move to the next step. Now you're on the right track when you see deposit USD on your Binance app and the option bank transfer Swift is automatically selected. Under bank transfer Swift, you should also see zero fee, which means you'll be making a deposit to Binance without paying any fees. Now the next step is very easy because simply enter the amount of money or funds you would like to add it to your Binance account. So in this case, I've used $200 deposit in this example so that you can see that the Binance transaction fee remains zero. And after that, what you could do is once you click on continue, the next screen will show some important things you should know before adding funds to your Binance account. Make sure you read this carefully, otherwise there may be delays getting your deposit on Binance. And there are also two important points to take note of here. Firstly, you need to make sure you include your unique reference code when making a deposit on Binance. And secondly, the name you use on your Revolut bank account must exactly match the name registered to your Binance account. If it's different, you'll need to change either one so that it matches the other before you can deposit money into Binance. Once you've read the important notes and clicked on OK, you should see the Binance bank account details that you'll need to take note of. Now I simply recommend copying each line by clicking on the two gray squares on the right and pasting them into the Google keyword or a Word document. You'll need to transfer this information to your Revolut app next. Now close Binance and open the Revolut app and click on the icon called transfer in the center of the screen. Now you should see account details on the top screen. Click on business, and once you've done so, add the Binance account bank details you saved earlier on Google keyboard Word as I told you earlier, and under country of recipient's bank, select the option for currency US dollars, then copy and paste Binance IBAN number over, insert Binance for company name and leave email blank. Once you filled all the details as I told you, click on the blue arrow icon to save and continue. Now you will now have insert the bank recipient's address in Revolut. This is important, so pay attention. Once you've successfully added Binance as a recipient, click on send and insert the amount of USD that you want to send. And in the reference tab, make sure you add the unique reference code provided to you on the Binance app and click next. Revolut will show you a review of your transfer. You should double check that the Binance bank account number and the reference code are actually correct. And that's all it takes to deposit money from bank to your Binance account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.